Welcome to the channel. If you've watched my channel before, you know usually we do automotive related stuff. Well, today we're doing something just a little bit different. Yep, we're out in the woods. We're gonna be clearing some trees. And so why am I doing something different? I've never really posted any videos like this before. It's because my mother-in-law, who's 80, loves watching videos about people doing land clearing and mowing. So I got this job to clean up around a house and to cut some of this wood down. So I thought, why not? I'm gonna put this one on. So Susan, this video is for you, and I hope everybody else enjoys it too. So we're gonna get rid of 1, 2, 3 trees at least. So kind of a before video. Right over there is the house. Everything's just kind of grown up. All right, we're about 2 hours in, and up here from the road area, doesn't seem like there's a whole lot, but then you see the pile, which is getting pretty big. And now you can kind of see, kind of making our way back in. I'm trying to be careful with some of the small trees, not tear them up too bad, especially the little maples. Sorry about the wind. So, kind of made it around here, and hey, there is the house. So now we're going to turn our attention to getting some of these completely out. This one's going. This one here is still pretty good, so we're just going to trim it a little bit. And then there's another broken off one right there. So we'll get that one out. We'll kind of thin some of these maples. There's way too many, and not all of them are going to live. And then I think that tree and the next one are also dead. That one's kind of leaning. That one right there is kind of leaning towards the house, so we'll figure that out. That one, that's not going to be a big problem. Sorry about the sun. So we'll just kind of keep going, keep working our way through, trying to keep the ground clean as much as possible, just so we're not tripping over everything. But you can already see the sun's really getting into the woods now, and actually that should help make some of this stuff grow. Of course, I'm not a tree guy, so I don't really know what I'm talking about. We got our trailer all loaded, and now we're going to unload it by just driving away. All right, well, there it is. That's the whole thing. So we left a few of the little maples. We got some of this pine to pick up, borrowed a dump trailer. So we're gonna just load that up and call this job done. So there you go, Susan. I hope you have fun watching this.